Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. Whether it's rain, wind, snow, or blazing sun, it protects everything inside from damage. But even the strongest roofs in Plymouth can wear down over time. Ignoring early warning signs may lead to costly repairs, structural problems, or even health hazards. Knowing when to call a professional roofing company for urgent repairs can save you from bigger headaches down the road. Here are the most important signs that you need expert help right away. Persistent roof leaks. One of the clearest signs you need urgent roofing repairs is water leaking into your home. If you notice water stains on your ceiling, damp spots on your walls, or puddles in the attic after rain, your roof's integrity is compromised. Small leaks can quickly worsen, leading to mold growth, ruined insulation, and structural wood rot. A Plymouth roofing company can inspect the issue and repair damaged shingles, flashing, or underlayment before the damage spreads. Missing, broken, or curling shingles. Shingles act as the shield of your roof. When they're cracked, curling, or missing altogether, your roof becomes vulnerable to water infiltration and wind damage. In coastal and cold weather areas like Plymouth, harsh weather can accelerate wear on shingles. If your shingles look uneven, brittle, or have granules washing into the gutters, it's time to call in a roofer. Quick action prevents widespread damage and prolongs the life of your roof. Sagging roof structure. A sagging roof is an urgent red flag. It often indicates that moisture has weakened the decking or underlying support beams. Left unaddressed, sagging can lead to partial or total roof collapse, putting your safety at risk. If you notice dips or uneven roof lines, don't delay. Reach out to a professional roofing company in Plymouth immediately. They can assess whether a repair or full replacement is needed. Granules in the gutters. Finding a large amount of roofing granules in your gutters or downspouts means your shingles are deteriorating. Granules protect shingles from UV rays and harsh weather. Without them, shingles age faster and fail to keep water out. If your gutters are filled with gritty debris, especially after a heavy storm, it's a sign that your roof needs prompt attention. Interior mold or musty odors. Moisture trapped in your attic or walls due to roof leaks creates the perfect environment for mold growth. Mold isn't just unsightly. It poses serious health risks, particularly for children, seniors, or anyone with respiratory issues. If you notice musty smells or visible mold inside your home, a roofing issue could be the root cause. A local Plymouth roofing company can fix leaks and restore proper ventilation to protect both your home and your health. Rising energy bills. Your roof also plays a role in your home's insulation and energy efficiency. If you've noticed higher than normal heating or cooling costs, it could be because air is escaping through a damaged roof. Missing insulation, leaks, or compromised ventilation make your HVAC system work harder. Repairing these problems not only saves energy but also makes your home more comfortable year-round. Recent severe weather. Plymouth residents know that storms can be brutal. High winds, heavy rain, hail, and snow can all cause sudden roof damage. Even if you don't see obvious signs, hidden issues may exist beneath the surface. After any major storm, it's smart to have a professional inspection. Roofing experts can identify small problems before they turn into major emergencies. Why acting quickly matters. Delaying roof repairs only makes problems worse. What starts as a small leak or missing shingle can evolve into rotted decking, damaged insulation, or even structural failure. Plus, water damage often spreads to other parts of the house, making repairs far more expensive. By calling a Plymouth roofing company as soon as you spot these warning signs, you protect your home, your finances, and your peace of mind. Final thought. Your roof works hard every day, but it won't last forever without care. If you notice leaks, missing shingles, sagging areas, or other warning signs, don't wait until the damage becomes catastrophic. Contact a trusted roofing company in Plymouth for an inspection and urgent repairs. Quick action ensures your home stays safe, secure, and comfortable no matter the weather.